Okay, on this particular video now, the important concept of catch and release. We're gonna teach the basics of how to get to an armbar position, but very important, release. There's no submission, it's just training the student how to get to the position. In Jiu-Jitsu, it's more critical to get to the technique than the finishing of the technique at this point in time. So here my partner on top starts from the mount, okay? And here we're doing the concept of the S mount. As I turn to my left, he's gonna make his knee heavy behind my back and turn the other knee out and touch the knee on my head. Let's do it again, one more time so you can see. Let's stay there, we're gonna do the other side. So here, put your other knee heavy, that one behind. Yes, no rush, you can go slower. Do it again. Let's kind of go slower now, okay? Heavy knee behind the back and point your other knee out. Okay, now in this part, this is the target arm, but since you are not doing the finish, I want control. So the partner on top grabs the far arm and pulls up the arm. That helps the balance. And to avoid kicking each other on the nose, you tilt your head out a little bit, and that makes your leg longer. No problem. Pull the arm so you can hold you slowly. Sit, release. Both legs, slow motion, start over again, stay there. Both legs elevate, don't stay there, let go. Legs and arms elevate, turn side by side. And once the legs go down, you scissor your way back to the mount. Mount position, yep. And here right now, I'm gonna turn the other way. So put your knee behind heavy and push on the leg, grab the far arm, tilt, and pull the arm, sit slow, release, stop there, just stay still, legs and arms up, okay? Legs point down, you bounce yourself back up. So now let's pick a tempo so you can see how the flow goes. Mount. As soon as your leg goes down, you're gonna mount, okay? So let's go this side, S mount, okay? Grab the far arm, pull, step, finish, lift up, bounce and mount. Good, very good. Going the other way, same thing. Grab the far arm, tilt, yes, step, release, up, turn, bounce back. Good. Hands on the shoulder, heavy knee behind the back, point your other knee out, grab the far knee, pull, tilt, step, release, up, bounce, back to mount. Last one. Heavy knee, grab far arm, pull, tilt, step, up, legs down, bounce and mount. Good, very good. All right, good job.